Hi, I'm Sam from HUAWEI Developers, and welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate HUAWEI Analytics Kit. With HUAWEI Analytics Kit integrated, your app will pass its user behavior and attribute data to the kit for comprehensive and detailed analysis. HUAWEI Analytics Kit provides a dashboard with some predefined data views, while you can also customize some views as needed. These views give you an overall picture of your app's performance, from which you'll be able to get a clear understanding of how to improve your app. HUAWEI Analytics Kit supports analysis on 8 objects, including events, audience, funnels, attribution, behavior, retention, real-time data, and versions. It also supports multifaceted operations analysis, enabling app lifecycle management. Besides this, you can also use HUAWEI Analytics Kit for app debugging to prevent incorrect event tracking settings and event attributes. You can easily integrate HUAWEI Analytics Kit through the HMS Core Analytics SDK and verify the integration online in real time. After successful integration, you can use one of the many industry-leading data analysis models offered by HUAWEI Analytics Kit, allowing you to explore the maximum value from your app's marketing activities. You can also customize the way that your app data is presented. There are already more than 30 predefined events for you to choose from, as well as more than 500 custom events that you can set. Without doubt, HUAWEI Analytics Kit will make your development easier than ever. Now, let's get started. First, open Android Studio, create an empty project, enter your app name and package name, and click Finish. Next, prepare a signing certificate for your app. Go to Build, Generate Signed Bundle. Select APK. Here, you can choose an existing signing certificate or create one. In this example, we're going to create a certificate. To do this, select the path for storing the certificate, which is the project directory, enter the certificate name, and click OK. Then, set the password and other information about the certificate, and click OK. Check Remember Passwords before you click Next. After that, select Release, check V2, and click Finish. Now sign in to the HUAWEI developer website and access the console. From here, go to HUAWEI App Gallery, My Apps. Click New to create an app. Then, specify the app information and click Create. Click the Develop tab. From the message that appears, select Manually Enter the package name and enter your package name. Make sure it's the same one you used when creating the project. Once you've confirmed it is, click Save. Set the data storage location based on the target distribution areas of your app. Now, let's configure the SHA-256 certificate fingerprint. To do so, open the command line tool, run key tool, and find the SHA-256 fingerprint from the result. Then, copy the fingerprint to the App Gallery Connect website and save it. You then need to enable the Analytics API. Click the Settings icon and then Manage APIs. Here, we've already had the Analytics API enabled, so we can go straight ahead and enable the Analytics service. Click My Apps and choose Analytics. Select the app that you created just now. Go to the Advanced Analytics tab. Click Enable Analytics Service. Set the time zone, currency, data storage period, and week. Click Finish. We've now enabled the Analytics service. Next, download the App Gallery Connect configuration file. Click Analytics and choose My Apps. Click your app and go to the Develop tab. Click here to download the AGC configuration file. Then, copy the file to the app directory of your project. And open the build Gradle file in the project directory. In this file, add the HUAWEI Maven repository address and the App Gallery Connect plugin. Then, open the build Gradle file in the app directory. In this file, add the App Gallery Connect plugin and dependencies. After you've done that, click the Sync Now button. Next, Let's make the necessary coding for integrating Analytics Kit. First, open the main activity Java file. They are the automatically imported Analytics Kit classes. Here, we define 5 questions and their answers. This is the HUAWEI Analytics instance object that we've defined. Use HUAWEI Analytics tools to enable the log function of Analytics Kit, so we can check whether events are correctly reported. The getInstance method is used to obtain the object defined above. Then, enable the data report function and also the automatic event report function. Register the HMS service. Initialize the question object. BTN setting is the settings button. Set a listener for it. BTN next is a next button, and it also requires a listener. BTN true and BTN false are the answer buttons. Post score is the button for submitting the score. Here we define an API for it. The onDestroy method is used to deregister the HMS service. This is the next question API. And this is the check answer API. Here we can customize an event for reporting the score to the analytics platform. Report answer EVT is the result report API. Here an event named answer is defined. It has some parameters such as question, answer current date, and answer time. You now need to call the instance on event to report data. Next, let's move on to post score. Use a predefined event as an example. Call the instance on event method to report the event. Great, we've now completed the core coding required for event reporting. Now let's run the app to check that everything works as expected. As shown here, we can click true or false to answer the question, or click next to go to the next question. After you finish all questions, click post score to submit your answers to the analytics platform. Run the ADB command to enable the app debugging mode and report data in real time. The command starts with ADB shell and ends with the package name. Now let's go to App Gallery Connect to check the reported data. On the Analytics page, click the app we've just created. Go to the Advanced Analytics tab. Click App Debugging. Here are 2 tabs, Last 60 seconds and Last 30 minutes. On the second tab, the data can be checked to the nearest minute. You can select the time in the timeline to view detailed data. Well, there you have it. You've now integrated HUAWEI Analytics Kit into your app. That's it for today's episode. Please leave your questions in the comment area below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.